In this video, I'm going to show you how to record on Reaper. Now, it's actually super simple to do it. The first thing you have to do is set up your devices so the input and output are correct. So you want to go to up top where it says Options, scroll down to the bottom using this arrow and click on Preferences. You could also go and press Ctrl P, and there we go. In here, you want to go to Audio and then Device. And from here, you want to select any audio system. I'm using Waveout, and you want to select the correct input device and the output device as well. Once you've done this, hit the Apply and OK button, and you'll see your mic is connected because it's going to pop up like this over here and over here. Then to actually start recording, simply click on the plus button here to add a new track, and whenever that happens, you can just go and position yourself where you want to start. I'm going to start recording, for example, over here. And then all you have to do is click on this button to actually enable it, and I'm going to actually turn off monitoring like this so I don't hear myself. And when this is record armed, you can just hit this record button down here or press Ctrl R, and it's going to start recording your voice just like this. So as you can see, it's recording it. When you're done, hit the record button again, and that's really all you have to do to record on Reaper. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.